Hi guys! Let's feed our belly. Check out this easy shrimp salad recipe. Here's what you'll need. After all your veggies are chopped, prepare in a pot boiling water. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, add the bay leaves, Old Bay seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic, and shrimp. Cook the shrimp for 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are no longer translucent. Using a slotted spoon, transfer the cooked shrimp from the pot and let them cool for 10 minutes. You may discard the bay leaves. Place the cooled shrimp into a mixing bowl and remove any garlic cloves. Now add the kewpie mayo, chopped celery, dill, green onions, bell peppers, and calamansi juice. Mix the ingredients together. Refrigerate the salad for 1 hour. And there you have it. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.